Hello, thank you once again. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this channel. My name is Michael Martins, and the name of the channel is Michael Martins FX. If we are just joining us for the first time, we've been on an important series on this channel. This channel is meant to train you from the beginning to the professional level, which is within the Forex space. And the essence of this training is not just for you to acquire the knowledge, it's for you to be able to know how to map out funds from the Forex trading into properties for any other ventures that you want to think about, basically. Now, on this channel, we started from the beginning, from what is Forex, and today we are at the intermediary level. So congratulations to as many that have been following us on this channel. I want to believe that these videos that we've been releasing, they've been blessing you. Now, you must appreciate every video you see on this channel. These are the videos that ordinarily, guys, this course as a whole, ordinarily, if you have to go out to learn them, it's going to cost you a fortune to learn. But we decided to upload these courses, obviously, for you guys to have them free of charge at your beck and call. So I want you to appreciate every video that we are putting in and make the best use of them. Okay. Now, last time we talked about what is demo account, and if you have not seen that video, guys, you want to go back and watch that video. Sorry, before you jump on this one. But that video is obviously going to tie up with it, or this video today is going to tie up with what we did previously. They're all interlinked, so you cannot skip any of these videos, guys. If you really want to take Forex trading very seriously, guys, and you really want to take it seriously, okay, then you want to make sure that every video we drop, you do not take them lightly. All right. Now let's dive into what we have today. Now today, before I forget, if you are watching us on YouTube and on our channel, I want you to do me one favor. I want you to go to our channel, make sure you subscribe, press the like button, share with your contact, anyone that you know that actually be looking forward to learning it. Even if you are not ready to start trading, but you want to acquire the knowledge such that when you are ready, then you obviously just want to jump on it. So you want to share this link. So kindly share and kindly like, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to our channel so that YouTube can obviously suggest this, and this based on the algorithm, and obviously that will enable us and motivate us to upload more of this dope content. So please do well to subscribe, share, and then continue to like our videos. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's dive into what we have today. Today we have a very important topic. Now this topic is a make or break one. If you don't know this topic, don't trade. If you are not ready to learn this topic, don't trade at all. Okay, many of you have been in Forex, or you dabble into Forex, and then based on the experience, and you've acquired this half-baked knowledge, and then the experience not suitable, palatable, and then made you to start considering Forex as a scam. But I must say that Forex is not a scam. It's just the way you have acquired knowledge, the source, and how you've been able to position your mind to actually learn these things. Okay. Now, today we're going to be having a look at a very important topic, how to open a demo account. Last session, we talked about what is a demo account, and we did make you understand that demo account, just like it sounds, is a demonstration account. It's like a simulation account. Yeah, a simulated account. It's not a real account. Now, the essence of this demo is for you to be able to practice and rehearse the same thing you want to do on a live account. Then you want to use a simulated account to practice it. What are you practicing? You want to rehearse on your strategy or strategies, whichever the case may be. You want to rehearse on your discipline. You want to rehearse on your risk management. So many factors that you want to use a simulated account to practice, guys. So such that once you master your art using a simulated account, then you can now go into a real account. Okay, who provides this simulated account? Your broker, the same broker that you use to trade the live account, same broker that provides you with that environment, simulated environment, such that you'll be able to get yourself familiar with what happens in the real market. Okay, and I did say to you that not every broker provides you with a good demo account facility. Okay, the broker that I use is an ECN broker. Now, if you don't know the meaning of ECN, Electronic Communication Network Broker, this is one of the factors you want to look at before you consider the choice of the broker. Now, there's one of the videos on the channel where we delved into how to know the good broker. Now, guys, don't jump into trading until you have watched these videos. This is why I said to you that if you are not ready to make Forex trading a worthwhile venture, then make sure you do not jump into it without watching this video. Okay, and when you are ready, make sure that you do not jump into it without watching videos like this, because your account, you are a retail trader, your account is provided by the brokers, and the choice of a broker will determine, sometimes to some extent, okay, is one of the factors anyways, not solely, guys, one of the factors that determine how profitable you can be. Because some brokers are crooks out there. So there are factors you must look into or consider before you choose a broker. And deep dive into a number of factors, one of our videos, okay? So you want to look into one of the videos, any of the links around, okay? Or go into our channels, you will see that, okay? How to choose a good broker. All right. Now, I use an ECM broker, which is High C Market. So if you want to sign up with the broker that I use, you want to follow the link in my bio on YouTube, okay? The link in my bio on our channel on YouTube, michaelmartinsfx. There will be a link that allows you to sign up. What is the significance of you signing up with my link? If you sign up with my link, obviously I use a very good broker, a broker that will not defraud you, a broker that will not make it impossible for you to trade or make a withdrawal. Okay. Now, the significance of you trading, obviously signing up with my link with High C Market. Okay, that's the name of the broker. Is one of the best brokers out there, guys. High C Market. Now, is that whenever you have issues, for instance, you want to sign up, or you're having some technical whatever, or you have a challenge, some clarification while you are obviously trading or signing up, whichever the case may be, you want someone that can guide you through. You want someone that can obviously, who has been with them for many years now, can tell you that, okay, this is normal, this is not normal, this is what you need to do. Okay, this is the significance of you signing up with my link. Okay, so my link will be on my bio. Click on it and then it will take you to the page. Now, today we want to talk about how to sign up on a demo account. Same process you follow through, how to sign up on a live account, okay? But it's important for you to practice your heart using a demo account. A demo account, there is no real money involved. It's a simulated account. It's good for you who is starting. Even some of us as professionals, many times, guys, we still use demo account to practice our strategies, because, guys, market conditions, they change from time to time, seasons to season. Okay, so sometimes we want to try a new strategy. We try with a demo account. Once we mastered it and we are confident that this new strategy, it has an edge in the market, then we deploy it into a live account. So a demo account is not something that you are going to get a point, guys, that you say you don't need it anymore. No, even as a professional, we still use a demo account to obviously practice some strategies or new strategies that we have in stock. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to open a demo account. All right, now let's go into the site. Now let's go. Let me share now. All right, so first and foremost, you want to go to your browser. Okay, you want to go to your browser. Let's first and foremost, let's share our slide so we can see the process basically. All right, I believe you can see my slide. Now, there are key steps, 3 basic steps, guys, to signing up for a demo account. Okay, the first one is obviously you sign up if you have not already, right? So I'm following the key points we have on the screen here. Okay, you fill in your personal details, your first name, your email, your mobile number, I believe, and thereabout. Then you have to do your KYC, your IDs and all that. You need to provide your ID. You can see the key points there. So you provide your ID. Let me bring my let me bring out my pen. Okay, now the key points you have. One second, guys. Okay, so the key points here. Okay, let me use this one. The key point, you fill in your details. You provide your IDs, okay? Your ID, your KYC is going to be done. It's pretty much very quick, guys. Very, very quick with our KYC. Then you open the account. It's as simple as that. Then you go about open the account and start trading. Depending if you want to do a live trading or demo. But today we are talking about demo. The same approach to demo, the same approach to live, okay? I only just showed you, I'm showing you rather, how to be able to open a demo account, which is the same approach or process to opening a real account. Now, let's now go into opening the demo account proper. So let's go to our screen. Okay, let's go to our screen. Where's our screen here now? Now, here we go. Now, when you go to your browser, guys, you type in High C Market. Okay, Once you type in IC markets, okay, IC market, so IC market, right? IC market official site, okay. You click on open, okay. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is it. So you click on the link. So once you click on the links, it brings you down here. Okay, guys, it brings you down here. All right, let me delete this one. Where's my data? Okay, so it brings you down here. Now you can see the options for you guys. Start live trading or client login area. Now the client login area, this starts trading. This is the one you will click if you are joining or signing up for the first time. Okay, then you put in your details. Okay, the client login area, this is for existing account user. So now let us see what we have in both of them. Okay, start trading. So once you click start trading, guys, it brings you down to this place. Okay, it gives important information that you need to know. Okay, just read through. All right, now then you put in your information, right? And you can see all the information that are required from you. You see, from number one, you have your personal details. Tell us more about yourself. You just need to tell them more about yourself, okay? You just want to know whether if you have an experience as a trader or not. Then trading account configuration, I will show you all that. It's just for you to set up what you want, the type of accounts that you want, okay? And the amount that you want as a demo account, okay? Then review. This is where they do their review. Then declaration, you submit that. Then accounts open once they approve your IDs and all that, okay? So now that is what that's information that you need to provide. That is the process. As you're completing it, you see we start moving from number 1 to tab 2 to tab 3 to tab 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so that is that. Now, once you've completed and once your IDs, everything has been approved, you definitely will get a notification, and then you now need to sign in into your account, okay, using the same login information that you obviously used. Okay, so let's sign in now. So what we did now was starting to trade or start trading. Okay, if you are just signing up, assuming you have not signed up, now you now need to start to trade. And this is what you now need to click on. This is when you now need to click on client login area. Okay, once you click on client login area, sorry guys, I need to clean this annotation that I have there. Okay, so once you click on client login area, okay, client login area, you see you have the home page, right? You have the home page. Then you come here. Then you click on, right, you click on demo account. Okay, this is what you want. So client login area, you click on demo account. Okay, now where you have signed up and then you want to open a live account, you click on the live account. Okay, now here we are opening a demo account, so we click on the demo account. So this is what I'm saying, guys. Okay, this is your demo, the tab you click. Okay, this is wallet account. If you have a wallet account with them, transaction history, live account tab. Okay, depending on what you want to do. All right, so now we are into demo account. Okay, let me write this up. So we are into demo account. Now we click on demo account, and then you have these 3 tabs there. Guys, if you have been following us, we talked about the app that we use. I told you about the MT5. I told you about the MT4. CTrader is just one of them as well. But what we use is either MT5 or MT4. Now, what is the difference between the MT5 and MT4? MT4 used to be the previous app that we used. Okay, now MT5 is an updated or upgraded version of the MT4. So a lot of people now use MT5 because there are more functions. As we progress in this class, I'm going to show you some of the functions there and benefit of that. right? So there are a number of functions. Okay, for instance, the MT5, you can do bulk operation, which means if you have 20 trades opening, you can just click one button, it will close all of them on. You don't have that on MT4. Okay, so that's one of the functions. And then on MT5, you can move your stop loss, adjust it. There's a tab there without you having to punch in the figure, just move it. So MT5 basically works naturally like the desktop version. Okay, so MT5 is what I would recommend. If you watched or you saw our last video, we talked about this. Okay, so some of the last videos, I think we talked about the tools that we require. So the app is MT5. So MT5 is what I recommend. Take note of this, guys. Okay, so MT5 is an upgraded version of the MT4. So make sure, guys, when you are selecting, make sure you click MT5. Make sure do not click MT4. If you click MT4, you can see no account created yet. I have not created any account in MT4. Okay, I used it many years ago, but I've closed it. So MT5 is where I am at the moment, and that's where a lot of traders are using. Some few traders are still using MT4 because they've had their account donkey years in MT4, but now they now open MT5. You can have both. You can have both, really. So if you have been using MT4 previously, then you can still keep it while you open MT5. But for you new trader or new traders, I would recommend MT5. All right, let's proceed. Now, what do? If you click on open a demo account, okay? Click on open a demo account. Hope you are seeing it, guys. Okay, you click on, this is what I'm talking about, this one. Click on open a demo account. All right, so click on it, then this is what is going to come. Remember, before you come here first, you have to click MT5. Now when you are here, make sure your tab is saying MT5. Okay, make sure your tab is saying MT5 as well. Yeah, not MT4. So MT5. Okay, now this is another tricky bit. Account type. Okay, this is you now configuring how you want your app to be. You want it to configure as MT5 or MT4. Remember at the beginning where we have account configuration, this is what it's talking about. So yourself by yourself, you are configuring your account now. So now we select MT5, account type, raw spread, or see there we have two options, guys. We have option for standard account, we have option for raw spread. Okay, now what is the difference between raw spread and a standard account? The major difference is in the spread. Now for a standard account, right, the spread is a bit higher. While it's raw spread, the spread is tighter. One of the areas, guys, that brokers are making money is in the spread, the commission, swap, and many more. Okay, now what is the spread? If you have been following us on this course, I've told you guys that spread is the difference between the buy and the sell bid. So once you place a buy or a sell, the difference between, which is where they make their money from, one of the areas they make their money is the spread, that between. Okay, so remember, they put you straight into interbanking system. So there in the market, interbanking system, the quotes might be £1, for instance. But for a broker that will be giving you the quote, they may just put maybe about extra £1. So they will not give you the quote as £2. So the extra is where their commission, their profit is. Okay, so that extra, that difference is the spread. Okay, so either you are buying or you are selling your currency pairs. Now, then raw spread is tighter. Okay, raw spread is tighter. Now, why the standard account, guys, has a higher spread? It has a lower commission because the spread is already higher because they're already making money from the spread. So hence they reduce the commission. The raw spread, okay, has a tighter spread and higher commission. Now let's look at some information on the site here. So I've Googled out some information for you. Let's look at another screen here that we have. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, now this is what we have. Can you see, guys, here? This information is what I want to show you. Okay, this is what I was trying to explain to you. So I just literally summarized it, what you have there to you a few seconds ago. IC Market is the lowest fee Forex broker, offering a standard and a raw spread account. The standard account has a higher spread, which is what I just said to you, but no commission. Okay, spread is higher, commission, no commission. Sometimes they do charge, but it's tiny. Okay, while the raw spread has a tightest ECN spread. okay, and a low commission. So it's either you take this or that, but I would just recommend a what's it called? A standard account. I would recommend a standard account. If you go to some sites as well, they provide you more information about these differences. Now let's look at this now. We have a number of information on these sites in terms of the difference or number of differences in these two accounts. Okay, I want to show you, okay, just for your knowledge sake. All right, so what do we have here? Raw spread account versus standard account. If you have time until leisure, make sure you go and read them. But to be honest, I pretty much told you everything that you need to know. Spread, okay, the difference in the form of a spread, which is what we talked about. Then commission, I'm not going to dwell too much, guys, okay, because we've already spoken about this already. So different in the spread, commission, target audience, trading platform, and those are the basic things, okay? But what you need to just concentrate on is the spread, okay? So let's go back to where we came from. So now, you open it. So we are selecting a standard account, which is my preferred. Now, currency, what do you want your account to be quoted by? Do you want to be quoted by? Depends on where you live, by or in dollars or in pounds. I live in the United Kingdom, so I might as well just put as GBP, okay? But dollar seems to be a very common one. So, which means whatever you are withdrawing, is it going to be in dollar or in pounds? That's what that is talking about, guys. Okay, so take note of that. If you are going to be withdrawing, is it going to be in pounds or in dollars? So whatever you set here, guys, it's what is going to be happening. You cannot set in pounds and come and be requesting your money in this. No, that doesn't mean that when the money is being sent to you, it's not going to still be converted. It's going to be converted. But I'm saying that your account is going to be configured in either pounds or dollars, depending on which one. Okay, that is what currency type means. Okay, leverage. Okay, now what is leverage? Now, leverage is one important tool, and it can be, as I think we talked about this one of the videos as well, guys. So you might want to watch it. Okay, which means that for every $1 that you put in, okay, every $1 that you put in, the broker are able to support you with extra $1,000. Now that money is not going to come to you like into your account, but that money, what it does is that there are some assets, guys, that your money may not be able to participate in. Let's say, for instance, you have $10. Okay, you have $10 in your account as a trading account, and you want to trade some assets, and that asset, the minimum requirement to trade them is, for instance, $1,000. So which means with your $10 you cannot trade them. So what this one does is that the leverage does is that it enables you to be able to trade those accounts with your $10. Do you see now? It gives you that strength to be able to trade it even with your $10. But that money physically is not going to be in your account. So don't be too excited about it, okay? So that is what it means. So with the $10 and then with a leverage of 1 to 10, with a $10 account and a leverage of 1 to 1,000, it means that you can trade as much as 10,000 account that require 10,000 minimum entry. That's what it means, okay? Initial deposit, 200. Guys, let me tell you something. This is very important. If you're going to be trading a live account, remember, you want to simulate, you want to practice your heart. If what you are planning to start your account with is $1,000, make sure that when you are setting up your demo, because it's not a real account, make sure you are selecting 1,000. Why? Because whatever you expect with your 1,000 as a demo should be consistent with what you are expecting as live. What happens is that sometimes a lot of newbies, they will go and select 10,000 or 1 million. Okay, you can see you can go as far as 5 million here. Okay, you know that when you are trading with a 5 million account, your profit is not going to be as small as someone who is going for 1,000. It's obviously going to be much more bigger, same as your losses. So people who go to demo and put 5 million, for instance, when they see profit of 5 million, say, wow, this is what I can make. And then they go ahead and be open an account of 1,000 and they are saying maybe like £50 or $50. Then they want to be tempted to over leverage. And what happens is that when you over leverage, because you want to see that big money, where you lose, your account will be wiped off. So take note. Make sure whatever you are selecting is consistent with what you are expecting to trade with. Okay. So let's say we are selecting 5,000. Okay. Now we're selecting 5,000. What's it called? $5,000. So you do proceed. Okay. So now proceed. Now let's refresh this page. So we click on proceed now. All right, so let's set the balance here. Okay, one sec. I think we stay too long on this page, so we're gonna let's all right, let me refresh our page again so that we can be able to do this. All right, so we have a demo. Empty file we selected. A demo account, sorry. Yes, so here we go. So we have a demo account open for us. Okay, now the password is this, you can see, and the server is this. So we've already opened a demo account. Okay, so we've opened a demo account, set the balance. We already set our balance, enter the amount between 1 and 5. So set balance. So, all right. So 5,001, 2, 3. Okay. Set balance. Balance updated. Yeah. We've already set balance earlier on, anyways. So we came here again to set balance. Now, see, these are the information you require. With this information now, you can now go to your app on your mobile phone, and then you can now put in those passwords that you require. Okay. So this is information you require to be able to enter into your mobile app or your desktop version. Now, in our next class, I'm going to teach you how to be able to download the mobile app, then how to be able to put in this information and be able to have this open on your mobile app. So today, what we've done is to teach you how to be able to set it up from your broker end. So there are two approaches to it. You do from your broker end first. The broker provides you with this information, which is what you can see. You can see this is the server information, okay, and this is the demo account number, okay, and then the password is there as well. So if you click on this, you can see this hide. You see show password. That's the password you put in and you open on your mobile app, or you can do the same on your desktop. All of that on your laptop, we're going to show you during our next or subsequent sessions. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me. This information as well will be emailed to you as well. I'm sure it's going to be able to. Stick tuned or stick around. On the next session, I'm going to show you how to be able to do that with a mobile, right? So thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful one. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Michael Martins FX. Make sure you're liking our videos. Make sure you share with your friends as well, so that YouTube can suggest it and this will motivate us. Thank you very much and have a wonderful one, right? Bye, guys. Right, bye, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye, guys.